Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The 5S system is an approach in Six Sigma and lean manufacturing that allows you to think through in a very succinct way how you're going to set up and operate your shop floor, your manufacturing line. So the 5 steps are pretty simple. Sort. So basically get the right materials available and set up essentially in wherever you're going to be working with them. Then you want to set in order those materials so that you've thought through the process in which they'll be used. And that can be materials or equipment. And set it all up in order in which the materials will move through the process so that you've got everything thought through as an assembly line, essentially, or a manufacturing line. Then you want to shine. You want to make sure that everything's clean and working order. You want to really make sure everything is top notch. All the materials are there and in working order, and that you've got everything really polished, if you will. And then you want to standardize. You want to look at how do you take what you're doing and define guidelines and best practices so that every step of the way you know exactly what you're doing and it's a repeatable approach. Then you want to sustain it all. You want to make sure that this whole approach that you've just gone through and how everything's set up and all those guidelines and principles are formalized in your organization, in your team, and as a scalable and repeatable process. You want to embed it into your culture. That's the 5S system. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.